Hello students, it's math time. Today we will continue learning about commutative property of addition. To begin with today's lesson, I want you to complete the following commutative property by writing the correct form on the next side. So we have the addends 7 plus 8. So I want you to write the correct commutative property on the next side. Remember, what is commutative property? No matter the order in which you put the addends, you will always get the same result. Now that you have completed the commutative property on the next side for the addends 7 plus 8, I want you to pay keen attention to the video to know what you're going to do today. So today you will fill in the missing numbers on the problems following the commutative property. For example, we have 13 plus 11. So our addends are 13 and 11 equals, you can see 11 plus blank. So remember that in commutative property, the same addends we have on one side, we should have it on the next side. Only that on the next side, it will be in different order. So if we have 13 and 11 on the left side, and on the right side we have 11 plus blank. So what number is on the left side that is not on the right side? Yes, it is 13. So we already have 11, only 13 is missing. So that means we are going to write 13 on the right side. So 13 is missing. Now let's check this other example. So if we have 50 plus blank equals 9 plus blank, remember that in commutative property, the addends that we have on the left side should also be on the right side. So if you notice, on the left side we just have one addend, which is 50. And one addend is missing. And on the other side, on the right side, the same thing. We just have 9 and an addend is missing. So if commutative property tells us that what we have on the left side, we should also have it on the right side. So that means I am going to write 50 on the right side. Why? Because we just have 9, right? And we need to complete this. And 50 is on the other side. So now the right side is completed. We have the addends 9 plus 50. Now on the left side, what number is missing now? Yes, it is 9. So we write 9 on this side. Why? Because 9 is on the right side. So we also have to write it on the left side to make the commutative property correct. Now it's time for our activity. So you're going to fill in the missing numbers in the problems to make the commutative property of addition correct. So you're going to do that from number 1 to number 8. When you finish, you're going to do the concluding activity. For the concluding activity, you're going to circle the one that shows commutative property of addition. So we have A, 9 plus 7 equals 7 plus 9. We have B, 5 plus 1 equals 4 plus 2. And we have C, 8 plus 3 equals 6 plus 5. So circle the one that shows commutative property of addition. And this is math for today.